Hello, today we are going to learn the lesson 2 is also the simple greeting. Alright, so firstly, we usually when we meet the friend, we say 你好吗? How are you? 你好吗? And actually, some people may ask if the local people, local Chinese, they really say how are you, 你好吗 to everyday conversation? And the answer is no. Because when you just say 你好吗, we probably suppose, oh, you must be the foreigner. So we will say 好久不见, no time no see first. 好久不见, no time no see. 好久不见, 好久 long time, very long, 不见 no see. And this is more common use to ask how are you recently. 你最近过得怎样？你最近过得怎样？ How are you recently? you 最近 recently 过 go through 怎样 how 你最近过得怎样 How are you recently? And how you reply? And you can reply, I am fine. 我很好。I 很 very 好 good. 我很好。I am good. 我很好。So just fine. 还可以。还 just 可以 acceptable 还可以 just fine. Okay, so now I ask you, 你最近过得怎么样？你最近过得怎样 How are you recently? 你最近过得怎样？还可以 just acceptable, just fine 还可以。Alright, here is also a very common Chinese phrases, and it's also the proverb because it means 马马虎虎. Ma is horse, Hu is tiger. It's come from like a Chinese legendary story. And if we can explain, we're going to explain in the future. Okay, so 马马虎虎 actually just is mean so. 马马虎虎. Oh, and finally say terrible, suck. 糟透了。糟透 he is a stress. 透糟透了 is terrible, suck. 糟透了。And when we do the greeting, we have to say goodbye. Okay, 再见 see you 再见 see you, and 下次见 see you next time. Alright, thank you for you guys for listening to my lesson 2, and hope you can learn a lot and start to making your simple greeting in Chinese. 再见，拜拜。